Okay, there's our spinach done. It takes a couple of minutes, the spinach. Chilli, pepper, and spring onion. I added a spring onion to it. Let's see where we go. Ladle that around the edge. Turn the heat up to full. And then let it reduce. You now see those little burn bits where the rice is caught on the pan. Well, we're almost there for plating. So we said 3 eggs before, and there was 3 eggs. 2 of the eggs went in there. This I soft boiled, and I'll show you where this is going to go in a second.